Are you planning to revamp your living spaces on a budget anytime soon? Mini wood furniture pieces and mini wood decor pieces are great options to do just that in style. Using mini wood furniture to revamp living spaces presents numerous advantages compared to traditional large furniture. One of the most significant advantages of mini wood furniture is its versatility. Smaller pieces can be easily moved around, allowing homeowners to experiment with different layouts and arrangements. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those who enjoy changing their decor frequently or who may have evolving needs in their living spaces. Unlike bulky furniture, which can be cumbersome to shift, mini wood items can be rearranged without much effort, enabling a dynamic and adaptable home environment. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mini wood furniture ideas and mini wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to versatility, mini wood furniture is often more space efficient, making it ideal for smaller living areas. As urban living spaces become increasingly compact, maximizing every square foot is essential. Mini furniture allows for effective space management without sacrificing style or functionality. It can fit into tight corners, serve dual purposes, and create a more open feel in a room. This optimization of space is crucial for creating an inviting atmosphere that feels both comfortable and spacious. Moreover, mini wood furniture contributes to a less cluttered aesthetic. Large pieces can overwhelm a space, making it feel cramped and chaotic. In contrast, smaller items can offer a more streamlined look, promoting a sense of calm and order. This minimalist approach aligns with contemporary design trends that emphasize clean lines and simplicity. By choosing mini wood furniture, individuals can cultivate a serene environment that enhances their overall well-being and comfort. The aesthetic appeal of mini wood furniture is another significant advantage. Wood, as a natural material, adds warmth and texture to any space, creating an inviting atmosphere. Smaller wooden pieces often showcase intricate craftsmanship, highlighting the beauty of the material. This attention to detail can elevate the overall design of a room, adding character and charm without the need for large, imposing items. The visual interest created by mini wood furniture can serve as focal points, drawing the eye and enhancing the overall decor. Another key benefit of using mini wood furniture is its affordability. Smaller pieces tend to be less expensive than their larger counterparts, making them more accessible for individuals looking to revamp their living spaces without breaking the bank. This affordability allows homeowners to invest in multiple pieces, mixing and matching to create a cohesive and stylish look. As a result, individuals can refresh their interiors with minimal financial strain, making home design more achievable and enjoyable. In terms of functionality, mini wood furniture often offers innovative solutions for everyday living. Many smaller pieces are designed to maximize utility in creative ways, such as incorporating hidden storage or serving dual purposes. For instance, a mini wooden table might also function as a storage unit, providing both surface space and practicality. This multifunctionality is particularly advantageous in modern homes, where the need for efficiency and organization is paramount. By choosing mini wood furniture, individuals can enhance their living spaces with items that serve multiple roles. Additionally, mini wood furniture allows for greater experimentation with color and style. With smaller pieces, homeowners can incorporate bold colors, patterns, or designs without overwhelming the space. This freedom encourages creativity and personalization, enabling individuals to express their unique tastes and preferences. The ability to mix and match different styles and finishes can lead to exciting and eclectic interiors that reflect the homeowner's personality. The environmental impact of furniture choices is also an important consideration. Many wood furniture pieces are made from sustainably sourced materials, contributing to eco-friendly practices. By choosing smaller items, individuals can support artisans and manufacturers who prioritize responsible production methods. This commitment to sustainability aligns with a growing awareness of environmental issues, allowing homeowners to make choices that reflect their values. In this sense, opting for mini wood furniture can be a conscious decision that benefits both the individual and the planet. Furthermore, mini wood furniture can enhance social interactions within a living space. The smaller scale of these pieces often encourages a more intimate setting, promoting conversation and connection among family and friends. In contrast, large furniture can create barriers, making a space feel less inviting. By utilizing mini furniture, homeowners can foster a welcoming environment that encourages gatherings and shared experiences. This social aspect is particularly important in today's world, where meaningful connections are essential for well-being. The ease of maintenance associated with mini wood furniture is another advantage worth noting. Smaller pieces are often more manageable when it comes to cleaning and upkeep. This convenience is particularly appealing for busy individuals or families who may not have the time or energy for extensive maintenance routines. With proper care, wood can be durable and resilient, providing a long-lasting solution that requires minimal effort. Moreover, mini wood furniture can be an excellent way to introduce natural elements into a home. Wood as a material brings a sense of the outdoors inside, creating a calming and grounding effect. This connection to nature has been shown to enhance mental well-being, making living spaces feel more serene and restorative. By incorporating mini wood furniture, individuals can enhance their interiors and create a harmonious balance with the natural world. As trends in home design continue to evolve, the advantages of mini wood furniture become increasingly relevant. The emphasis on flexibility, sustainability, and personalization resonates with contemporary lifestyles, making these pieces an ideal choice for modern homeowners. By embracing mini wood furniture, individuals can revamp their living spaces in ways that reflect their values, enhance their comfort, and promote well-being. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked mini wood furniture ideas and mini wood decor ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.